Hey guys, my name is Judd Albring. Welcome to this video on ClickFunnels Jvzoo affiliate. So depending on how you look at this, if you're looking to be a ClickFunnels affiliate, you can do that easily. You just put a link below, sign up for a 14-day free trial. You'll get a ClickFunnels affiliate ID and you can start promoting. But if you're looking to actually use ClickFunnels as an affiliate for Jvzoo, that's kind of a different question altogether, and I want to show you that as well. You can see I'm not doing so well with my Jvzoo account, but I only promote one or two products. I don't promote them very heavily with Jvzoo. I use Jvzoo primarily to white label stuff and then sell it as my own product. I like to do that better. So what I do is, one particular product I have is like an anxiety, depression, that sort of thing. And it's a white label product, private label product. And the best way to promote Jvzoo products as an affiliate with ClickFunnels is to create what's called a bridge page. So you have your opt-in page, which is going to be your kind of your hook, your headline. And if you're buying a good product from Jvzoo that you're reselling, hopefully it's going to come with pre-built landing pages and all that good stuff that you can just simply edit and paste and put in here. That's a simple drag and drop editor. But the main thing that a lot of people are not doing, and this is why they're not succeeding, is they don't have a bridge page. So within ClickFunnels, you would add a bridge page. Now, you can see here, this is a product that I was promoting from Jvzoo, and they gave me a lot of great information here, right? This is all stuff I can use, okay? So now most affiliates that promote this, they're just going to take all this stuff, right? And they're just going to pop it up and put a link up there and hope that they make money. The difference is this video here, okay? This is where I'm going to go on the video myself personally because I use the product, and I'm going to say what the product did for me, how it benefited me, how it helped me, how it changed my life, and how it can do it for you. And then I'm going to say something along the lines of, listen, I know that you can get this from a lot of other people out there, but when you buy from me today, I'm also going to give you this, 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 and this. So you want to create an offer stack. So you want to take this $37 or $99 product that everybody else is promoting, and you want to give it $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 value, okay? And you can do that by buying other white label, private label products from Jvzoo or elsewhere, and then stack them. So below here, I would have probably 4 to 5 products, and I would say, hey, when you get this today from me, I'm also going to give you my 30-day weight loss plan. I'm going to give you my 30-day recipe for anxiety. I'm going to give you my 30-day meditation guide, and I'm going to give you my sleep well guide. So you want to do stuff that's related to what you're selling. That's how you're going to separate yourself from other Jvzoo affiliates, and that's how you're going to make serious money. And this link here is where you would put your affiliate link. So you want to collect their email so you can promote to them later, because a lot of them aren't going to buy on the first day, but they might buy on the 3rd or the 5th. Maybe they don't want this product, but maybe 10 days down the road, you email them something else related to depression, anxiety, or whatever it is you're promoting, and they buy that. Okay, so stop direct linking, start building your tribe, and start growing your business that way. Okay, so that's how I would do it. That's what I recommend, and you can do that within the click of a button inside of ClickFunnels. So that's how you do ClickFunnels Jvzoo affiliate marketing. Please like, subscribe, and share. If you're new to ClickFunnels and you want to get started, build a bridge page, start promoting your Jvzoo products, there is a 14-day free trial below, and you guessed it, I am an affiliate for ClickFunnels. So if you sign up for ClickFunnels, thank you, helps me out. Have a great day, guys. Please like, subscribe, and share.